In the warm and stylish space of a restaurant full of elegance, the sweet and fragrant grilled ribs lure customers in. The aroma of spicy spices, combined with the sweetness of honey and a pleasant bit of sourness. Have you ever wondered how to build a beautiful and sustainable house? Let's explore and apply to create your perfect living space. With such a large hole size, I was able to salvage and add some wood behind it to create a new piece of drywall. This not only helps cover up the hole, but also creates a convenient and interesting new space. I will learn a lot from him, a teacher who has the ability to fix any problem with subtlety and precision, like filling in the gaps in my knowledge with perfection. As a refinishing artist, I have been given the ability to make seemingly broken things become new and functional again. Wait and see if you trace and cut along the lines. More imperfect spaces may appear where inaccuracies and inadequacies may exist. When you do not follow a straight and coherent journey, the surrounding atmosphere will not be unified, and the connection between elements will become more fragile. Even if I have to sacrifice all my time just to do it, I will laugh out loud and stick a bag on the floor, diligently picking up everything. To me, nothing is too wasteful when effort and joy are combined into one. There is a fairly effective technique for cutting a doorway that doesn't cause much fatigue and doesn't create a lot of dust. You can use a cutting tool called a Dremel or a multi-purpose cutter with an appropriate blade. Are you drowning in a mess of acidity? Struggling to sort each fruit, each bunch, sweating profusely? Don't worry, this will be your savior. Forget the image of farmers painstakingly sorting cucumbers one by one. This machine is their savior, helping to save time, effort, and increase work efficiency. Sorting line, 12 fruits per second, so fast that the eyes cannot see. Looking at the juicy, shiny red apples arranged neatly, I feel extremely excited. Imagine, without this technology, how much time and manpower it would take to sort each apple one by one. Which is our cookie machine. You can create countless cookies with unique and creative shapes. There will be no limit to your baking passion. Labor challenges affecting your efficiency? Overcome production challenges easily with robotic technology and soft ripper tools. Multivac UK recently introduced the new high-speed dual-product portioning machine, RS920 Flex. If you find this sandwich unsatisfying, comment with a 0. Addressing labor shortage issues with reliable and efficient robotic automation solutions. Use these 3 machines to easily assemble up to 60 round sandwiches per hour, with just 1 person. This is a cost-effective solution for round sandwich production with minimal manpower. An ideal solution for heat sealing paper flow wrap packages at high performance levels, achieving impressive speeds of 90 meters per minute for paper packaging on FPC5. Each product is individually picked and placed by a robot into the correct position in the packaging line. This allows for more flexible packaging of different product formats, making it faster and more cost-effective. Watch this video to see how easily we can pick and place fresh dough, frozen pizza, cheese, peppers, onions,